Welcome to the Hillbilly Hoarder. This evening we're back out here at the building. And since we got to practice for our West Virginia motorcycle driver's license test, the hands-on part, we came up with this little obstacle course. We're going to put some of this junk back here to use. So hang on. Had to go around between the 57 Chevy tail fin and that old trailer. Sharp turn, past the canoe, and up over this double hump. Now you can't put your feet down or we fail. Let's try it again. Have you ever noticed how sharp the tail fins are on a 57 Chevy? Where's Ralph Nader when you need him? Past the canoe, up over this double hump, around the figure 8. We made it. What'd you guys think of that? Well, thank you for watching. We really appreciate the support, and we sure hope you're having a great day.